Hey guys over at Prestige Window Tinting. My name is Calvin Burkhart and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds, a digital marketing agency. And I was doing some research in your area and I figured I'd shoot you guys this quick little video to give you guys 3 tips on how you guys can beat out your competition online. In this video, I'll be going over what I can see that's working well for you guys and also what's working well for your competition. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what I have to say and the tips that I've given you, and you'd like to know more about how Mr. and Mrs. Leeds can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips that I've given you and put them into action. And all I ask is for some feedback. Let me know how it went. So without further ado, let's get into 3 things. So first, or the 3 things I'm going to cover with today is content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing being content, that's basically anything that you can see on your front page is considered content, including all the pictures, all the stuff that I have highlighted here, including what the pictures are saved as and what's behind the pictures can be included in that content. And really, the key here with content is you want to make sure that you have enough content on your front page to be able to work in unique content that's keyword rich, keywords or key phrases that people might be using to try and find someone that offers your services, as what I'm talking about here. So basically, in order to beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you have more content relevant to the services that you provide, so that way you become authority in that space in your area. So that's the first tip there, just making sure that you guys have enough keyword-rich, unique content, especially on your front page. The second thing I'm going to get into is citation. So you might be asking yourself, what is a citation? Well, if I did a Google search here in your area, and the reason why it looks like this is because I did it from a mobile to see what it would look like for mobile and who was showing up. And so I did a keyword search for window tint, and the first thing that you're going to see in any Google search is going to be ads, and these are people that are just paying to be up on the top of Google. Now sometimes these ads don't work if somebody's using a pop-up blocker, or pop-up or ad blocker. A lot of times people won't even see these. And there's also a large group of people that simply don't click on ads. Maybe they had a bad previous ad experience. But back to citations here, that has a lot to do with the section below the ads and the maps. And as you can see, there's also ads in the map section as well that people are paying for. But in order to get ranked organically high in here without having to pay for ads to be on the top, you need to see what kind of citations that your competitors have, and you want to try to get in there as well. So a citation is simply your business's name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. So on here, the phone's on here because it's supposed to represent an Android phone. But typically, a directory would be something like Facebook or Yellow Pages or YP, any of those websites that allow businesses to list their information and give another avenue for people to reach you. So that's the second tip. If you want to beat out people in the map section, you just want to make sure that you are listed in the same directories that they're in, but you don't want to just stop there. In order to truly beat out your competition, you want to add more than what they have. So that's the second one here. Third tip that I'm going to give you today has to do with this organic section down at the bottom. And this has a lot to do with backlinks. And so the way you can think of the web is it's a huge popularity contest. And so if you have other window tinting websites, for example, or window tinting forums, pointing back to you or giving a link back to you guys to give another avenue for customers to reach you, that would be more relevant and helpful for your business than, let's say, a pizza shop sending a link back to you guys because you guys don't sell pizzas. So making sure that you have the right type of backlinks that are relevant to your industry and are going to help you get ranked in the search engines for those certain keywords that you're trying to be found for. So looking at a tool that I have here, it's called Ahrefs. This is a tool that they basically buy data from Google. It's not 100% accurate, but it does give me some insight as to what's working well for you and what's not. And so what I can see is that you guys have been around for a while, and you guys have been trying to rank online for a while. You guys have 175 keywords that you're currently being found from on this tool, and that in turn is bringing you approximately 177 visitors a month. If I go into the keywords, I can see what kind of keywords that you're getting found for, and a lot of it is name branding. And so what I would help you guys out with would be more general keywords like, mobile window tint Houston. You guys are on the first page, but looking at your first page keywords, a lot of them are branded. So going back to look at your links, we can see the type of domains, the websites that are referring you guys, and how many backlinks that they're giving you. So if I go in here, I can see all the websites from that this tool can see that's giving you guys some link juice, or giving you guys some authority in that space. So looking at one of your competitors here, XM Houston, Executive Tint, as they're referring to on their title page. If I go in, you can see that they have 76 referring domains with 485 backlinks, bringing them 546 organic keywords. So as you can see, it's a huge difference. And when I look at their keywords, they do have some branded ones in here. But as you can see, window tinting Houston, window tint Houston, car window tinting Houston. So these are people that are going to be looking in the search engines for the service, and they may not know the brand name of that company. Well, I hope this information has been helpful for you. Please, if you'd like to know more about how Mr. and Mrs. Leeds can help build your business, shoot me a call and we can chat. If not, please just take the tips that I've given you and see how they work out. All I ask is for some feedback. Thanks for your time, and you have a wonderful day.